Hey there, future AI enthusiasts. Welcome to the very first episode of AI for Everyone. I'm Randy, and I'm just as excited to dive into the world of artificial intelligence as you are. Now, if you're anything like me, you might be wondering, what exactly is AI, and why should I care? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a fun, enlightening journey together. AI, or artificial intelligence, is like that super smart friend who seems to know everything, except you know it's a computer. It's the magic that allows machines to learn from experiences, adapt to new inputs, and perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Think about it. It's a brain behind chatbots, recommendation systems on Netflix, and even those funny cat videos that pop up when you least expect them. Seriously though, who doesn't love a good cat video? AI is everywhere. It powers the voice assist in your Siri, and Alexa helps doctors diagnose diseases and even drives cars. But don't worry, we're not here to take over the world yet. We're just here to understand how it all works. And trust me, it's not as scary as it sounds. Now let's talk about why you should care about AI. First, it's shaping the future of almost every industry, from healthcare to entertainment to finance. Learning about AI can open doors to exciting career opportunities. Plus, understanding AI helps make informed decisions in a tech-driven world. And who wouldn't want to be the cool kid at the dinner party who can explain neural networks? Trust me, it's a conversation starter. Here's the plan for our channel. Each week, we'll tackle a new topic in AI. We'll start with the basics, and I'll guide you step by step, making sure you not only learn, but retain the knowledge. We'll have fun, we'll share some laughs, and maybe even get a little nerdy together. After all, learning should be enjoyable. Before we wrap up today, I wanted to hear from you. What are you most excited to learn about AI? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's build this learning community together. And don't forget, hit that like, subscribe button so you won't miss out on any future episodes. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Remember, AI is not just for scientists and technicians. It's for everyone. So next time, let's get ready to unlock the mysteries of AI together. Tot ziens. Till next time.